What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix the no sound problem you are getting in Premiere Pro. It can be frustrating to work on a video project and not hear any audio, especially if you know your clips contain sound. First, make sure the media in your timeline actually has audio. Scrub through the timeline and look at the clip. You should see a waveform on the audio track. If you're unsure, try dragging a different clip into the timeline that you know has sound. This will help you confirm whether the issue is with the clip or Premiere Pro itself. If your media definitely has audio and you still can't hear anything, it's time to check Premiere's audio settings. Go to the top menu and click on Edit on Windows. Then hover over Preferences and select Audio Hardware. In the Audio Hardware settings, look for the default output option. Make sure the correct audio device is selected here. For example, if your system is accidentally set to output sound through a USB microphone or another device with no speakers, you won't hear anything. Select the proper output, usually your default speakers or headphones, and click OK to apply the changes. If there's still no sound, then the issue could be on a system level. Search for Volume Mixer in your Start menu and hit Enter. This will open a panel that shows volume controls for individual apps. Scroll through the list until you see Premiere Pro. If its volume is turned all the way down, that's the problem. Increase the slider to 100, or at least a level you can hear, and then return to Premiere Pro to test the audio again. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and see you in the next one.